Hello friends, welcome to my channel Game of Trades. Today is 1st of February 2018 and I will be analyzing Kotak Bank. This is a call which I have given in my WhatsApp group and on the same the query has been asked to post this analysis video. Also this Kotak Bank is not only good for trading but this is also very good for portfolio. Just a disclaimer that I hold a few shares of Kotak Bank. I bought it long back because I could identify it at much earlier levels, and then I hold it, and I plan to hold it still for some long time. So Kotak Bank is one of the bank on which I am very bullish, and this is in my portfolio, and I will keep holding it, and maybe add later. I'm not sure what regarding portfolio. Currently, I am not discussing that, but for trading purpose also, this is at a verge of a breakout. If you see this weekly chart, we see that it this has already given a breakout. If you see, just look at the closers here. Let me zoom it for you guys. So in terms of a weekly breakout that has happened, if you just consider the close, now if you consider the highs, then something has to happen here, maybe today, tomorrow, or we have all this. So today is Thursday, and tomorrow is Friday. So tomorrow this weekend will end, and then we'll see how the closer is to be. But then this looks very positive. Chart is very positive, and you see the kind of rally it has been. So from this point of time, it has never looked back. It has been just flying high and high and high. And here was a consolidation phase, then an all-time break, and then a little bit coming down just to retest the level from which breakout happened, which is quite normal. And if you have been watching my analysis video, then you would be understanding by this by now. Then we are seeing here that currently few consolidation happened for some time. So it was since July 2017, so since last around 6 months, and then we see currently a breakout happening again. And this is very important, guys, that if you are dealing with the stocks, you need to be patient. So if you have watched this at this level then and it's not going up, then that does not mean that it is becoming weak. uh, Stagnancy of a price is not a sign of weakness. It has to show it has to come considerably down, with then there are certain parameters to identify that. But if it just remains here, that means that it might be taking breather before it goes up. uh, and this is just one of the thing that you have to look whether to go for short or long. Unless you get a confirmation of where we are going, we should not trade and that remains a very important and valid point. So this is something that you should be looking for. Kotak Bank, if bank has to fly high, so today is a budget day, and if a bank has to fly high, Kotak has a very good weightage on Nifty Bank. So the highest weightage I believe is HDFC Bank, but HDFC Bank highest weightage is in Nifty 50, and probably maybe in Nifty Bank also. I will check, and probably regarding weightage and all, I might make another video, because that is something that needs to be very clear, that if you are a bullish on some particular sector, then you can then you should be able to identify which stock has the maximum weightage, and if the alignment of that stock is the same as that sector, then it's one of the very good trades that we can find, and then we can trade in that direction. So that is something. Kotak Bank, it will be going, it will be flying much higher, and let's say that if we go long at this stage, then catching of 100 point should be okay. I mean, if budget is good, everything remains same, everything remains good, vibe is positive, then we should be able to catch some good points in this week, today, and next week. So Kotak Bank and other is Reliance is what I'm watching. There are other aspects also. So if we talk of sectors, Then real estate is the one which will benefit because a lot of housing projects are already in place, and chart is also good for real estate companies, and this is the time to buy them because real estate companies are currently at low prices available, because from last few years, not only month, few years, we have been seeing that this infra space was down, and now since it is down and some of them has bottomed out, it's the time that you start buying to build portfolio also. So put real estate companies in your portfolio because they they are available at low prices, like some are below 100, some are below 200, so these are available at cheap prices. Now you can just keep on adding them whenever you get a dip. So I currently hold NCC and NCC for in real space, infrastructure space basically, and then I believe others IRB and all. I'm not sure I'm holding IRB, but then NCC is one I am holding. Then India Bull Real Estate is one I am holding, and then if you talk of this budget theme stocks, then probably we should be looking at some sugar stock also. I have not seen any chart, but then and that is something that if you are just looking for budget day, what is going to happen, what you can cash, then that is something also you can watch for. So Kotak Bank is good. Kotak Bank looks good and it has much higher levels to go. The kind of move we have seen in HDFC Bank in last few days, similar thing can happen in Kotak Bank, and once this goes up, I have already given a target of around 29,000 in Nifty Bank, which is if it has to come, then all these banks have to support, and in that case the Nifty Bank will fly high, Kotak Bank will fly high, and then if we are long, then our accounts will also go higher. So that is something that you can look for. Reliance is another stock, and keep long on that. If we see the daily chart of Kotak Bank, so after this, you see a big red candle, and this is where people stop losses would be hit. And then the very next day, that is last trading session, we saw that again it saw a pullback. So that is what happens. That if you are long at this space, you didn't book profit here, and then a big red candle, and then you will exit in panic mode. So this is something that needs to be taken care for by a trader. If you can handle this, then it will be better. If you can't handle this, because these intraday swings are unavoidable, there is nothing that we can do. So if you are not comfortable at this level, because I have been bullish since this level, so I have been giving calls around, because after I saw a breakout at this level, I thought, okay, this is the time to go. And I have shown it when I made a profit of more than 2,81,000 in the live analysis video. I have told that one of the stocks that I was holding was Kotak Bank. So one of the futures derivative which was I was holding was Kotak Bank, and I have already booked some good profit in Kotak Bank. And after booking that profit, I am again long on Kotak Bank. This is something that I will keep for some time unless I get some desired move that I expect in Kotak Bank. So that's Kotak Bank for you. So that's it, guys. If you have any further queries, you can ask me in the comment section. And yeah, so that's it, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.